Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. I am right now in Morocco in Imswan, but I still decided to spend some time after surfing solving a LeetCode problem. So let's look at this. Now we're looking at problem 1207, unique number of occurrences. Given an array of integers r, return true if the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique or false otherwise. So the question is, value 1 has 3 occurrences, 2 has 2 occurrences, and 3 has 1. No two values have the same number of occurrences. Okay, this is interesting. So what can we do here? We can definitely iterate over the array and use a counter. So you can say from collections import counter, and what we can do is just I think we can do counter of array, and that's array counter, and this will tell us, this will be like a key value pair where the key will be each value and the counter will be the number of occurrences. So then what we can do is get the values. Counter values equals our counter dot values. We can save it as a list, and then what we can do is return the length of counter values is the same as length of set of counter values. Let's submit this. Okay, it worked. So let me I'm not using a second screen now, so 51% memory, did very well. So what did I do? First I count the number of occurrences, and then I just get the values of the counter. So in this case I would get 3, 2, 1. Then I do a set. Basically a set is the unique numbers of that one, and if the length of the set is different than the original length, it means that one of the numbers is duplicate. Therefore we get this. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please go surfing. Best thing ever. Bye.